Today, we're digging deeper into the annals of history to uncover three unsung heroes of survival crops that deserve a place in every prepper's garden. We're talking about plants that have sustained entire populations through wars, droughts, and famines. These plants are tough, adaptable, and packed with nutrients, making them essential allies in times of need. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting your self-sufficiency journey, stick around because we're about to explore the fascinating history and survival benefits of these incredible crops. Picture this. It's the heart of the American Civil War. The nation is torn apart, brother against brother, in a brutal conflict that has already claimed countless lives. The South, fighting to maintain its way of life, is under immense pressure. Union forces are advancing, and the Confederacy's resources are dwindling. The Southern economy, heavily reliant on agriculture and slave labor, is crumbling under the weight of war. The South is feeling the squeeze as Union troops disrupt supply lines, cutting off essential goods and resources. Railroads are destroyed and supply routes are severed, making it nearly impossible to transport food and supplies to the front lines and civilian populations. Storehouses that once brimmed with food and supplies now stand empty. Food is scarce, and people are struggling to survive. The once fertile fields of the South are now battlegrounds, and the crops that do grow are often seized by soldiers or destroyed in the fighting. What did they turn to? A humble legume often seen as animal feed, the cowpea. In these desperate times, the cowpea emerged as an unlikely hero. This unassuming plant, often overlooked in favor of more glamorous crops, became a beacon of hope for many struggling families. Don't let the name fool you. These little beans, also known as black-eyed peas, are nutritional powerhouses, packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins. They provided the much-needed nutrients that were hard to come by during the war. But their real strength lies in their resilience. Cowpeas can handle poor soil, laugh in the face of drought, and still produce a bountiful harvest. They are incredibly hardy, able to thrive in conditions that would see other crops fail. During the Civil War, cowpeas became a lifeline for struggling Southern families. They were easy to grow, even in the depleted soils of war-torn fields, and they required minimal care. Families could rely on cowpeas to provide a steady source of food. Easy to grow and readily available, they provided much-needed sustenance during those dark times. The cowpea's ability to grow in adverse conditions meant that even the most neglected plots of land could yield a harvest. Imagine relying on a crop that thrives in adversity, a plant that can handle neglect and still put food on the table. The cowpea's resilience was a testament to the strength and determination of the Southern people during the Civil War. That's the power of the cowpea. Its ability to endure and provide in the face of hardship made it an invaluable resource. Today, they remain a staple in many parts of the world, a testament to their resilience and nutritional value. From Africa to Asia, and even in the Americas, cowpeas continue to be a vital part of the diet for millions of people. So if you're looking for a survival crop that can withstand the test of time, look no further than the mighty cowpea. Its legacy from the Civil War era to modern times is a story of endurance and adaptability. It's a reminder that sometimes the most unassuming plants can be our greatest allies in times of need. The cowpea's journey from a humble legume to a symbol of resilience is a powerful testament to the strength found in nature's simplest gifts. When we think of wartime rations, our minds might conjure up images of bland biscuits and watery soup. But there's one humble vegetable that deserves a place of honor in the history books: the turnip. These root vegetables, often overlooked in favor of their more glamorous cousins, played a crucial role in sustaining nations during times of conflict. The turnip, with its hardy nature and nutritional value, became a silent hero in the background of many wartime stories. Take the turnip winter of 1916 to 1917 in Germany. The potato harvest had failed, and the nation was facing starvation. The situation was dire, with food supplies dwindling and the population growing desperate. Enter the turnip, a hardy crop that could withstand the harsh winter conditions. Turnips became a dietary staple, keeping countless Germans alive during those bleak months. The turnip winter was a period of extreme hardship, but it also highlighted the resilience and adaptability of people in the face of adversity. Turnips were boiled, mashed, roasted, and even turned into bread substitutes. They were a versatile food source that could be prepared in various ways to keep meals interesting, even when other ingredients were scarce. The turnip's role didn't end with World War I. During World War II, the British government launched the Dig for Victory campaign, encouraging citizens to plant vegetables, including turnips, to supplement dwindling food supplies. This campaign was a massive effort to boost food production on the home front and ensure that the population remained well-nourished despite the war's disruptions. Turnips, with their ability to grow in even the most depleted soil, provided much-needed vitamins and minerals to a nation facing food shortages. They were a reliable crop that could be counted on to produce a harvest even in less than ideal conditions. This made them an invaluable resource during times of scarcity. The Dig for Victory campaign was a testament to the power of community and collective effort. People from all walks of life came together to grow their own food, transforming gardens, parks, and even vacant lots into productive vegetable plots. Turnips were a common sight in these wartime gardens, symbolizing the resilience and determination of the British people. And supplement they did. Turnips, with their ability to grow in even the most depleted soil, provided much-needed vitamins and minerals to a nation facing food shortages. They were a reliable crop that could be counted on to produce a harvest, even in less than ideal conditions. This made them an invaluable resource during times of scarcity. So, the next time you see a turnip, remember its heroic past. It's a reminder that even the most ordinary-looking vegetables can possess extraordinary resilience and nutritional value. The turnip story is a testament to the power of humble, everyday resources in overcoming great challenges. Whether in the fields of wartime Germany or the gardens of wartime Britain, the turnip stood as a beacon of hope and sustenance, proving that sometimes the simplest things can make the biggest difference. Imagine stepping outside your door and finding sustenance growing wild, a symphony of edible plants just waiting to be harvested. The landscape, often overlooked, is teeming with life that can nourish us. That's the potential of foraging, the ancient art of identifying and utilizing nature's bounty. It's a skill that connects us to our ancestors, who relied on their keen knowledge of the land to survive. For centuries, foraging was a way of life, a means of supplementing diets with wild edibles. It was a practice passed down through generations, a vital part of human history, a means of supplementing diets with wild edibles. These plants provided essential nutrients that were often missing from cultivated crops, and in times of hardship, this knowledge became even more crucial. During harsh winters or periods of famine, foraging could mean the difference between life and death. Think of the medlar tree, a resilient plant that thrives in less than ideal conditions. Its fruit ripening late in the fall, providing sustenance when other food sources dwindled. The medlar's unique ability to ripen after the first frost made it a reliable food source, providing sustenance when other food sources dwindled. Its fruit, though not immediately palatable, becomes sweet and edible after a period of bleeding. Or the ubiquitous fig tree, a symbol of abundance in many cultures. Its sweet fruit, a welcome source of energy during lean times. Figs are not only delicious, but also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. And let's not forget the elderberry, a plant revered for its medicinal properties. Its dark berries bursting with vitamins and antioxidants, a natural remedy for generations past. Elderberries have been used to boost the immune system and treat colds and flu, a natural remedy for generations past. The process of making elderberry syrup is a tradition that continues to this day, a testament to the enduring value of this humble berry. Foraging isn't just about finding food, it's about connecting with nature, understanding the rhythms of the seasons, and recognizing the abundance that surrounds us. It's about connecting with nature, feeling the earth beneath your feet, and breathing in the fresh air. It's a practice that fosters mindfulness and a deeper appreciation for the natural world. Understanding the rhythms of the seasons, knowing when to harvest, and when to let the land rest. Each season brings its own unique offerings, from spring greens to autumn fruits, and recognizing the abundance that surrounds us. Nature provides a cornucopia of resources if we only take the time to look and learn. It's about empowering ourselves with the knowledge to identify edible plants, to differentiate between sustenance and danger. This knowledge is a powerful tool that can enhance our self-sufficiency, to differentiate between sustenance and danger. Some plants can be harmful if misidentified, so proper education and caution are essential. Of course, responsible foraging is paramount. Proper identification is crucial, and it's essential to harvest sustainably, ensuring the continued health of plant populations. And it's essential to harvest sustainably, taking only what you need and leaving enough for the plants to regenerate. This practice helps maintain the balance of the ecosystem, ensuring the continued health of plant populations. Sustainable foraging practices contribute to the preservation of biodiversity and the resilience of natural habitats. But for those willing to learn, foraging can be a rewarding and potentially life-saving skill, a testament to the enduring bond between humans and the natural world. Foraging can be a rewarding and potentially life-saving skill, offering not just nourishment but also a sense of accomplishment and connection to our roots, a testament to the enduring bond between humans and the natural world. In learning to forage, we rediscover a part of ourselves that is deeply intertwined with the earth, fostering a relationship that is both ancient and ever-renewing. So there you have it, 3 survival crops with incredible stories to tell. They remind us that resilience can be found in the most unexpected places, and that knowing how to feed ourselves is a powerful skill. If you found this journey through history insightful, hit that subscribe button and share this video with your fellow preppers and history buffs. Let's spread the knowledge of these unsung heroes and empower ourselves with the skills to thrive, no matter what challenges come our way. And don't forget to check out Mark's video on the top survival crops for even more inspiration. You'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay prepared,